Hey guys, so today I'm here bringing you guys my nose contour routine. It's very simple yet very requested, and yeah, I just wanted to show you it's really not that hard, at least for my nose it isn't, because I'm not gonna lie, my nose on its own is already pretty thin. This just makes it look even more snatched and just so much cuter in my opinion. So yeah, if you want to see how I contour my nose, I also will be linking this in all of my videos, just like my eyebrow routine, just in case you need a little nice refresher to see how I contour my nose. And yeah, if you want to see how I created this super cute nose, and just keep on watching. Okay, so to contour my nose, it's actually really simple. I honestly just use one product to actually contour it, and that is the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. I find that this is the perfect shade because it's not too cool tone to the point that it looks unbelievable, and it's not too warm tone to the point that it doesn't even look like a contour. This is a mini version. You can tell I love it because I've hit pan really hard. So a brush that I really like to use for nose contour is the Makeup Shack T49 brush. I think that this is a very nice shape because it's thin, but it's not too thin to the point where, again, it looks fake. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit closer so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna just go into the bronzer twice and tap off the excess. The key with contouring my nose specifically is to go light-handed at first and work from there. I always like to start with the tip of the nose, and by applying the contour shade underneath here will give the illusion of your nose being more lifted, because contouring is basically adding shadows. So if you add shadows, it gives the illusion that your nose is a lot more lifted than what it actually is. So once I've put that like underneath my nose, I like to start to create a rounded tip. So I go off of the sides and start going upwards from there. So once those corners are rounded off, I will head up to the top over here. So what I like to do is go into the edges of my nose over here and give it the illusion that it's thinner and more narrow. I always start over here and then move my way downwards, connecting it to the rounded tip. Once I've done the basic lines on the sides, I'm just gonna go in with a clean brush and sort of blend the lines out, make them look a little bit more realistic. Now, this is the part that is my favorite whenever doing nose contour, and that is the line that goes across. This is what will transform your nose, honestly, and turn it into a super cute buttony nose, which is my favorite. I take literally the slightest amount of product and thin out my brush, kind of pinch it like this so that it's as thin as possible, and do a line over here. This is where I do the line going across. Do you see how that instantly transformed my nose? It just looks so lifted. So then, just to kind of even out the nose, I like to go in on the sides here, just so that even that looks kind of thinner as well. And then once again, go in with your clean brush, just blend everything out. So then really the last part of contouring my nose, it's not really contouring, more like highlighting, but it does go hand in hand. I like to use this Everglow highlighter by Nikki and Ofra. And for this part, I take a really precise small brush and take the white part of this highlight and do a little dot on the tip, like so. And then start over here at the bridge of my nose, going downwards. It's basically an exclamation point. And that is my nose contour. So that is my nose contour routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something. Hopefully this does help you out, and hopefully you can see that it's actually not that hard. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It'll mean so much. And I will see you in my next one. Love you.